Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Welcome back to mathematics class. Do you know, children, what is the specialty of today? Yes, today is National Mathematics Day. First of all, I wish you all happy National Mathematics Day. Every year we are celebrating Mathematics Day, birth anniversary of Srinivasa Ramanujan. Sir, Srinivasa Ramanujan. I will say some information about him. He was born on 22nd December 1887, Erode, Tamil Nadu. Erode, Tamil Nadu. At 12 years only, he was completed degree in Cambridge University. And next, he was great, amazing Indian mathematician. Srinivasa Ramanujan birthday was made an annual National Mathematics Day by Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. Okay, I will write some information about him. Write down in your notebooks, children. So Srinivasa Ramanujan was born on 22nd December 1887 in Erode, Tamil Nadu. Okay, just Srinivasa Ramanujan birthday was made an annual National Mathematics Day by Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. Manmohan Singh. Write this information. After I will continue the class. Fractions. Okay. In last class, we discussed about fractions, addition and subtraction. Okay. We are discussing about fractions, subtraction and addition. Okay. In your textbook, take out the textbook, children. In your textbook, page number 90, exercise 5.12. Yesterday 11th problem I explained, but totally I not explained. Now I will continue same problem. Exercise 5.12. 11th one. Subtract the sum of 4 whole 2 by 3 and 5 whole 7 by 12 from 12 whole 2 by 5. Subtract the sum of 4 whole 2 by 3 and 5 whole 7 by 12. First, sum of these two fractions. Okay, first sum of these two fractions. So what we do, first of all, we have to add these two fractions. Okay, first of all, we have to add these two fractions. After, we have to subtract from 12 whole 2 by 5. Okay, first. 4 whole 2 by 3 plus 5 whole 7 by 12. See children, here given fractions are mixed fractions. Okay, here in these mixed fractions, whole number and proper fraction is there. So these fractions are called mixed fractions. 4 whole 2 by 3 and 5 whole 7 by 12 are mixed fractions. So change into improper fractions. 4 whole 2 by 3 equal 4 3s are 12. 4 into 3 plus 2 whole number into denominator plus numerator by denominator. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 14. Yes, 14 by 3. Okay. Next fraction also you change into improper fraction. 5 into 12 whole number into denominator plus numerator. What is the numerator here? Yes, 7. 12. 12 5s are 12 into 5 or 5 into 12. 12 5s are 60. 60 plus 7. Yes, 67. 67 by 12. First, add these two fractions. They are changed here into improper fractions. So these improper fractions first we have to add. 14 by 3 plus 67 by 12. Now these fractions are unlike fractions. Here see children, here denominators are different are there. In this fraction 3 is there, in this fraction 12 is there. So these are different numbers. So these fractions are unlike fractions. So we can change into like fractions. Now change into like fractions. What we do? We take LCM of denominators. Okay, take LCM of denominators. LCM of 3, 12. What is the LCM, children? Without do also we can see LCM. What is the LCM? 3 and 12. Yes, very good. 12. Alaikia. Yes. LCM is 12. Now these fractions you change into like fractions. 14 by 3. 14 by 3 into 4 into 4 plus 67 by 12. Okay? Fourteen fours are 56 by 12 plus 67 by 12. See children here, Now these fractions are like fractions because here denominators are same numbers are there. Which fractions are having same denominators numbers, those fractions are called like fractions. So 56 by 12, 67 by 12, these fractions are like fractions. Okay, now we can do addition or subtraction also very easily. Add the numerators. A subtraction given, subtract the numerators. Okay, now add the numerators. 56 plus 67. What is the answer, children? 56 plus 67 by 12. Say, children. What is the answer? Add and say. 56 plus 67. 50 plus 60. 110. Yes, 110 plus 13. Say anyone. You are not giving response. Yes, 123. Very good. 123 by 12. Okay, now this number, this fractional number, you subtract from 12 whole 2 by 5. Okay? Subtract from 12 whole 2 by 5. First, 12 whole 2 by 5. 12 whole 2 by 5 fraction is mixed fraction. Here whole number and proper fraction is there. So, this fraction is called mixed fraction. So, change into improper fraction. How can we change into improper fraction? Yes, whole number into denominator plus numerator by denominator. What is the whole number here? 12. What is the numerator? 2. What is the denominator? 5. So, 12 into 5. Whole number into denominator plus numerator by 5. 12 into 5. 12 5 is 60. 60 plus 2. 62. 62 by 5. Okay? 62 by 5. 5 minus 123 by 12. 123 by 12. Now these fractions are, here we have to do subtracting, but here these fractions are called, yes, unlike fractions and improper fractions also. Here denominator is smallest number is there. So these fractions are called improper fractions. Next here denominators also different are there. Here denominators are different are there. So these fractions are unlike fractions. Now change into like fractions. Then what we do? Just we have to take LCM of denominators. LCM of 5, 12. LCM of 5 and 12 is, take LCM. LCM of 5, 12. Say children, what is the LCM of 5 and 12? Say anyone. No, not 12. LCM. I'm asking about LCM. Common multiple. For these two numbers, which is the common multiple. And least, in 5 table 12 will come, girl. How can we say? 12? Yes, very good. M.A. Rahman. Okay, very good boy. LCM of 5 and 12 is 60. Okay. Now here denominator, you want to change here 60. In 5 place we have to change 60 and 12 place also we have to change 60. Then these fractions will change into like fractions. So how can we change? Just here 5 is there. Here multiply by 12. And say in numerator also we have to multiply by 12. 62 into 12 by 5 into 12. Next, 123 by 12. We multiply by 5. 12 5s are 60. So multiply by 5. Into 5. Not only in denominator, in numerator also. In numerator also we have to multiply by 5. Now multiply children. 62 into 12. What is the product of 62 and 12? Yes, 12 to the 24. Next 12 6 are 72 plus 2. 74. 744 by 60. Minus 123 into 5. Multiply. Yes, 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10, 11, 5 1s are 5 and 6. 615 by 60. What is the difference? What is the difference of 744 and 615? Just we have to do here subtraction. Here these fractions are called like fractions. Why? Because here denominators are same numbers. Here 60 and in this fraction also 60 is there. So these fractions are called like fractions. Just subtract the numerators. Subtract the numerators. 744 minus 650. What is the difference? Do subtraction and say the answer. Subtract. 4 minus 5. 9. 3 minus 1. 2. Next step. 7 minus 129 by 60. Not addition girl here. You subtract. Subtraction symbol is there here. Okay? Subtract. Don't add any. Subtract these numbers. 744 minus 615 equal 129. 129 by 60. This fraction is improper fraction. You can change into mixed fraction. How can we change into mixed fraction? Do division with division. 29 divided by 60. 62 the not 62 the 120. 129 minus 120. 9. 2 whole 9 by 60. Here we can do simplification also. Here with 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 20s are 60. 3 3s are 9. 3 20s are 60. So what is the answer? 2 whole 3 by 20. Okay, first these two numbers, these two fractional numbers add children. Sum of these two fractions given. So we have to add first. Here mixed fractions are given. So change into first improper fractions. Next after we have to add. These fractions are unlike fractions. So change into like fractions. Then we have to take LCM of denominators. Take LCM and change into like fractions. Add. Next like fractions. Add. Next we subtract the sum of number. Subtract from this number, this fractional number. 12 whole 2 by 5. 62 by 5. Then 12 whole 2 by 5. Mixed fraction, after change in proper fraction, 62 by 5. 62 by 5 minus 123 by 12. Again, these fractions are unlike fractions. Take LCM of denominators. After we have to change into like fractions and subtract. Then we get answer. What is the answer? 2 whole 3 by 20. Did you understand, Amma? How to add the fractions and how to subtract the fractions. If you have any doubt, raise your hand. Anybody? Siri, are you listening? Did you understand, Amma? Okay. Okay. Varshita, Vandana, understand. Okay, write down. Next one is 12th one. Subtract the sum of 7 whole 2 by 5 and 5 whole 11 by 15 from 15. First, sum of 7 whole 2 by 5 and 5 whole 11 by 15. Sum of, SUM sum. Sum of means add. Add these two fractions. First, add these two fractions. 7 whole 2 by 5 plus 5 whole 11 by 15. Thus, these fractions are called, say children, these fractions are mixed fractions. Mixed fractions. These are mixed fractions. Here whole number and proper fraction is there. So these fractions are called proper fraction means, yes, numerator less than denominator. Numerator is smallest number, denominator is biggest number. Those fractions are called proper fractions. Now I am changing into improper fractions. 7 whole 2 by 5. 7 into 5 plus 2 by 5. 7 5s are 7 5s are Sritan. Yes, 35. 35 plus 2. 37 by 5. Next, same. Next fraction also change into improper fraction. 5 into 15 plus 11 by 15. 5 15s are 75. 75 plus 11 plus 11 by 15. 86. 86 by 15. Now, these fractions are improper fractions. Add these fractions. 37 by 5 plus 86 by 15. 86 by 15. Then these fractions are improper fractions and unlike fractions. Why? Here denominators are different ordered. So these fractions are called unlike fractions. Change into like fractions. What we do? Take LCM of denominators. Here denominators are 5 and 15. LCM of 5, 15. What is the LCM? What is the LCM of 5 and 15? Yes, very good. 15. Very good, Manisha. 15. LCM is 15. Now 37 into 3 by 5 into 3. Next fraction, no need to change fractions because here denominator 15 only have. That's why no need to change. 86 by 15 as is well. 37 into 3. 37 3s are 3 7s are 21. 3 3s are 9 plus 2 11. 100. 111 by 50 plus 86 by 50. Add 111 plus 86. 197. 197 by 15. Now this fractional number subtract from 15. Subtract from 15. So first write 15. 15 is just a whole number. Just you change into fractional number. Just we have to write in denominator 1 minus 197 by 50. Now take LCM. LCM of 1 and 15. What is the LCM of 1 and 15? 1, 15. Yes, 15. LCM is 15. 15 into 15 by 1 into 15. Here 1 is there. This 1 you change into LCM number. What is the LCM number? What is the LCM of 1 and 15? 15. So we have to change it to 15. How can we change into 15? Yes, multiply by 15. Not only in denominator, in numerator also we have to multiply by 15. Then these fractions will change like fractions. Here 197 by 15. This fraction no need to change because of here denominator 15 only is there. Next year LCM also 15. So no need to change this fraction. Only we have to change only this fraction only. 15 by 1. 15 into 15 by 1 into 15. Next fraction write as it is. 197 by 50. 15 15s are. Yes, 15 15s are 225 by 15 minus 197 by 15. Now these fractions are like fractions. Yes, these fractions are like fractions. Now subtract numerators. Subtract numerators. 225 minus 197 by 15. Subtract here. 5 minus 7. 8. Next 1 minus 9. 2. 28 by 50. Okay? Yes, 28 by 15. Now 28 by 15 is improper fraction. Change into mixed fraction. 15 15. 28 minus 15 is 13. 1 whole 13 by 15. Yes. I am doing division here. 28 divided by 50. 15 ones are 50. 13. Okay. 1 for 13 by 50. Okay. Did you understand, Amma? I hope you all are understand. In tomorrow class, I will explain fractions, subtractions, word problems. Word problems are fraction, subtraction. I will explain. Okay. Thank you, children. Once again, happy Mathematics Day.